SAT Official Sample Test 1, Section 3, Question number 7 through 12. M equal R over 1200 times 1 plus R over 1200 to the power of n over 1 plus R over 1200 to the power of n minus 1 times P. The formula above gives the monthly payment M needed to pay off a loan of P dollars at R% annual interest over n months. Which of the following gives P in terms of M, R, and N? So first of all, some of the information in the question, such as the monthly payment M, a loan of P dollars, R% annual interest over n months, those informations are irrelevant to solve the questions. So at SAT, they sometimes insert the irrelevant information so that it makes the question looks more difficult than actually it is. So that's their tactics. So you don't have to worry about those information. So we focus on this formula. Even though this equation looks very complicated, but it's actually, the question is very, very simple. So since it looks complicated, we change this fraction, big fraction, to the a variable a. We define this big fraction as a. Then we can rewrite the equation as m equal ap. And we need to know about P. So that's why we divide both sides divided by a. M over a equal ap over a. Then simplify it. So m over a equal p. So in other words, p equal m divided by a. So this is just a division of fraction. So division of fraction is keep, change, and flip. Keep the first number m and change the division to multiplication, and then flipping the fraction. So 1 plus r over 1200 to the power of n minus 1 goes to numerator, and r over 1200 times 1 plus r over 1200 to the power of n goes to denominator. The answer is B. So even though this question looks very complicated, but it's actually one of the easiest questions at the SAT. Question number 8. If a over b equal 2, what is the value of ab for b over a? So a over b equal 2, the reciprocal of a over b, that is b over a, equal reciprocal of 2, that is 1 over 2. And we plug in this number. 4b over a equal 1/2 times 4, because b over a equal 1/2, and 1/2 times 4 equal 2. So the answer is C. Question number 9. 3x plus 4y equal negative 23. 2y minus x equal negative 19. What is the solution xy to the system of equations above? When there are two variables and two equations like this, in most of the cases you can solve the questions. You can determine the value of x and y when you have two equations and two variables. And these cases we target to eliminate y first, so that we can get one equation with one variable, so that we can solve x. So first we change the order to minus x plus 2y equal negative 19, and then we try to make it to the 4y instead of keeping the 2y, but make it to 4y, so that we can multiply by 2 in both sides, left hand side and right hand side. Minus x plus 2y times 2 equal negative 19 times 2. That is negative 2x plus 4y equal negative 38. Then we would like to subtract the from the 3x plus 4y equal negative 23 minus negative 2x plus 4y equal negative 38. Then we got 3x minus 2x equal negative 23 minus negative 38. And that is 5x equal 15. Then we just divided by 5, x equal 3. And we plug in x equal 3, 2y minus 3 equal negative 19. So we add 3 on the 3 to the both sides. So 2y minus 3 plus 3 equal negative 19 plus 3. So 2y equal negative 16. And y, and divided by 2, y equal negative 8. So the answer is B. Question number 10. Gx equal ax squared plus 24. For the function g defined above, a is a constant and g4 equal 8. What is the value of g negative 4? G4 is 8. So we plug in 4 into a. G4 equal 8 times 4 to the power of second, 4 squared, plus 24. G4 equals 16a plus 24 equal 8. And we subtract 24 from both sides. So 16a plus 24 minus 24 equal 8 minus 24. And then we got 16a equal negative 16. Then we divide 16 for both sides. And we got a equal negative 1. And we plug in a equal negative 1. So, and then solve g minus negative 4. Negative 1 times negative 4 to the negative 4 squared plus 24. Negative 1 times 16 plus 24. Negative 16 plus 24. So g negative 4 equal 8. So the answer is A. Question number 11. B equal 2.35 plus 0.25x. C equal 1.75 plus 0.4x. In the equations above, B and C represent the price per pound in dollars of beef and chicken, respectively. X weeks after July 1st during last summer. What was the price per pound of beef when it was equal to the price per pound of chicken? So since the price of beef and chicken now is the same, so we can say 2.35 plus 0.25x equal 1.75 plus 0.40x. And then we subtract 0.25x from both sides. So 2.35 plus 0.25x minus 0.25x equal 1.75 plus 0.40x minus 0.25x. And then we got 2.35 equal 175 plus 0.15x. 0.15 is 0.4 minus 0.25. And then we subtract negative 1.75 from left hand side and also right hand side. And then we got 0.6 equals 0.15x. And we divide by 0.15. We got 4 equal x. And then we plug in 4. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 0.25x is 4. So 0.254. And then that is 2.35 plus 1 equals 3.35. The answer is D. Last question, question number 12. A line in the xy plane passes through the origin and has a slope of 1 over 7. Which of the following points lies on the line? equation is y equal 1 over 7x, and we plug in 0, 1, 7, and 14 to x to see which option is correct. And then 1 over 7 times 0 equals 0, so A is not correct. 1 over 7 times 1 equals 1 over 7, so B is not correct. 1 over 7 times 7 equals 1, so C is not correct. 1 over 7 times 14 equals 2, so D is correct. So the answer is D.